The problem is you have a BMW i3, and when you open the rear hatch, the rear window shelf is broken, and the tether that holds it up has come disconnected from the attachment point. This rear shelf is the same from 2013 until current. And the bigger problem is, in order to get the attachment point and the tether, you have to buy the entire rear shelf. So let me tell you a story. A while back, I sold a lady an i3 like this one, and it was a used car, but it was a new car to her. And a couple of weeks after, she picked it up, she brought it back and showed me, hey, we have a rear broken shelf just like that. Giving good customer service, said no problem, we'll take care of it. Let me order the part, come back in a couple of days, and I'll install it for you. So I went to check it out and found out that you can't just buy the little tether like this, but you have to buy the entire thing. And with tax, this is about a $400 shelf. And so, anyway, it is what it is. We want to make her happy. So I called her up and said, the part is in, come on in. When she came in to have the shelf fixed, and I came walking out with this big box in my hands, she went, wait a minute, what's going on? I had to explain to her that you can't just buy the little part, but you have to buy the entire thing. And she says, man, that's crazy, and that's such a waste. So, as you might have guessed by now, AGA Tools has a solution for you. Whether you want to save money or save the environment, we have a quick replacement tether that can go on to the luggage tray in only minutes. The good news is, all the luggage trays from 2013 till current are the same, so they fit all the models so far. We started by machining a billet aluminum piece to replace the broken end. We anodize it black so it looks like the factory part, and it installs very easily to the broken tether. Let me show you how it's done. The ones I've seen so far has broken right here. Perhaps the molding makes the string brittle. The kit comes with 2 ends, the screws, and an Allen wrench that you'll need to install the screws. The only other thing that you'll need is a soldering iron or a lighter. You start by searing the end of the string to keep it from fraying while you insert it into the new end. Install the supplied screw with the Allen wrench into the first hole closest to this end. Don't install it too deep, just start it. Insert the seared string into the hole and push it all the way down with the Allen wrench. Once it's pushed all the way down, verify that the string has made it to the bottom by going in through the second hole. Tighten the first screw into the string like that, and install the second screw into the hole and tighten as well. Note, the screws should be just below the flush level like this on both sides. Now the shelf is ready to install. So, because a little portion of the string, about 10 to 12 millimeters, is broken off, this tether will be about 10 to 12 millimeters or half an inch shorter. It is barely noticeable. If it bothers you, replace the other side as well. To get your rear window shelf repair kit, go to agatools.com. As always, thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe.